Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for ob convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we solve the simplify innermost round bracket. According to this expression, we have a small parenthesis. We have a small bracket 7 minus 2 and solve the subtraction inside the parenthesis. Now there will get 5. According to this step, the BODMAS says bracket have the highest priority and we always solve the group terms from the innermost brackets outward. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 45 plus curly braces 6 multiplied by 5 curly braces of square bracket of minus root 121 plus 2 power 4. Move to the next step. According to next step, simplify the curly braces. Now according to the curly braces, solve the multiplication inside the braces. 6 multiplied by 5 will get 30. According to this step, now that the round brackets are eliminated and the curly brackets become the next innermost grouping to clear it. Now the current expression become 45 plus 30 and then square bracket of minus root 122 power 4. Move to the next step. Simplify the outermost square brackets. Now in this square bracket, solve the addition. Inside it, now 45 plus 30 and we'll get 75. According to this step, this is the final remaining bracket group that need to be simplified into a single value. And after the expression becomes 75 minus root 121 plus 2 power 4. Now the next step, evaluate the order, exponents and then roots. Find the value of the square root, which is root 121. Since we know 11 multiplied by 11, it's 121. And then power 2 power 4, which is 16. According to this step, the O in BODMAS stands for order, which includes the power, exponents and roots. This must be handled before standard arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction. So now the current expression becomes 75 minus 11 plus 16. Move to the next step. Perform the subtraction and addition left to right. So now first subtract the value 75 minus 11 will get 60. So now according to this step, addition and subtraction share the same level of priority in BODMAS when they all are that remain. In the expression, if the addition and subtraction are left, so perform them in order from left to right. So now the current expression becomes 64 plus 16. And now move to the next and final step, which is addition. Add the remaining numbers 64 plus 16 and we'll get 80. 80, which is the final result, and this is the last operation to complete the simplification. So now according to this expression, the conclusion says by systematically applying the BODMAS rule layer by layer, clearing brackets from inside out, solving the exponents and roots, and finally working basic arithmetic from left to right. So the expression simplifies down to a single definite answer, which is 80. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.